Kevin Lin is an ordinary working dad, fresh into fatherhood. The moment he moved into his new home, the first thing he did was install a set of smart cloud cameras at the front door and living room. Every morning on his commute, he'd open the app, check if the baby was sleeping soundly in the nanny's arms, make sure no strangers lurked by the door. He thought this was the best protection he could give his family. Then one day, Kevin stumbled upon a tech news article. The brand he trusted as local privacy had been exposed by security researchers. Users' video streams were being silently uploaded to the cloud, completely unencrypted. And worse, the footage of his baby, the front door, anyone with the link could open it directly in a standard media player. Kevin stared at the screen, hands trembling. How many eyes had seen everything happening in his home these past months? But what if your camera footage never had to pass through someone else's server? What if AI detection could run directly on a device in your own home? All analysis, all recordings, all data stored only on your own hard drive. Kevin later came across an open source project recommended on a forum. In that moment, he realized the sense of security he'd been searching for was something he could hold in his own hands. That project is called Frigate, a fully open source self-hosted network video recorder. Its core philosophy in one sentence: AI object detection runs entirely on-premise. Video never leaves home. Subscription cost is zero. With over 34,000 GitHub Stars and deep Home Assistant integration, Frigate is the go-to choice for privacy-conscious home surveillance builders worldwide. Frigate runs as a Docker container, supporting x86, ARM, Raspberry Pi, and more. Its internals work like a precision machine. Each camera gets a dedicated FFmpeg process for stream ingestion. A motion detection module continuously scans for changes, and only when motion is detected does it crop the frame and hand it to the AI detector. Frames are passed via shared memory for high efficiency and low latency. The front end is a modern React Web UI with sub-second live preview via WebRTC. One of Frigate's biggest technical highlights is its broad support for AI acceleration hardware. Whether you have a Google Coral TPU, Intel OpenVINO, NVIDIA TensorRT, Hailo -8L, or Rockchip NPU, Frigate ships with 14 detector backends, all ready to use out of the box. Its motion-gated detection design means AI only processes image regions where actual change occurred, dramatically reducing compute load. Even older CPUs can handle real-time detection across 2+ cameras. When Frigate detects an object, it kicks off a full event pipeline. The event is written to a local SQLite database. An MQTT message is sent to Home Assistant, triggering your smart home automations. The recording process saves MPEG segments, and an embedding module generates vector representations of event snapshots, enabling natural language search later, like red car at the front door on Monday afternoon. Every byte of data stays in your home. The comparison is clear. Cloud solutions like Ring and Eufy route your video through vendor servers. Privacy depends entirely on trust. Frigate's video never leaves your local network. No monthly fees, no third-party access. If a cloud provider shuts down or raises prices, your recordings could vanish. Frigate is open source. You always control your own data. This isn't just a tech choice, it's a stance on family privacy. Kevin Lin spent one weekend setting up his own Frigate system on an old PC with a Google Coral accelerator. Now, whenever his baby crawls across the living room, his phone gets a Home Assistant notification, and that notification has never touched a stranger's server. If you care about your family's privacy, Frigate is waiting for you on GitHub. Open source, free, completely yours.